welcome to all. From today onwards, non-stop questions. Now the arguments all will stop now. If the argument or some concept or discussion required, I will tell you. Otherwise, not required. Okay. Now, I will solve more and more questions with a double overhang and single overhang minimum questions. I will give plenty of exercises for you, or what people call homework, like that. You work out and get the answer. Okay, now question 27. Very simple question, but we will go in the order, but multiple loading. See, a beam has a simply supported span of 9 meter with equal overhangs of 4 meter on either side. So 4 meter over. It is loaded by UDL of 8 kN per meter over the entire length. Be careful. Sometimes they will give UDL between the support. Be very careful. Over the entire length. So from here to here, full UDL, 8 kN per meter. There are two concentrated loads of 60 kilonewtons each at the extreme ends of the beam. So this extreme end 60 kN, this extreme end 60 kN. Also, there are two more point loads of 40 kilonewtons each at 6 meter from extreme end. See, this is 4 meter, means it will come slightly inside, 6 meter inside. Find support reaction. Till some time, I will not bother about horizontal reaction. If one hinge, one roller given, hinge you take horizontal reaction, which will come 0. Okay. Solution. Let VA upward, VB upward be vertical reactions at supports A and B respectively. Class, 1 minute now. We are assuming reactions to be upward. Every class, same thing. Now, class means this question you don't have to solve by usual sigma M0, sigma V0, because, see here, 4 meter, both are simple support. 60 at 6 meter, 40, full span UDL. This is perfect symmetrical. When perfect symmetry is there, you need not waste the time. The principle is, if it is perfect, see, one small unsymmetry like 4 meter, 3 meter, or 6 meter and 5 meter, gone. It will come next question. So if next question will be unsymmetrical. If perfect symmetry is there, you don't have to waste the time. You can directly get each reaction total load on the beam divided by 2, or when a beam is symmetrically loaded, supports also symmetrical, then entire loading on the beam, half will be transferred to that support, half will be transferred to this support. So you make a note, but remember, for understanding purpose, we will solve usual. Someone will tell, sir, you don't have to take moment direct. I know it, but by practicing, by taking moment, your grip will be more. So now onwards, when you find support reaction, even if symmetry is there, you apply sigma M, sigma V0, later apply the check, total load by 2. But when you go to SFD BMD, at that time, I will write here, due to symmetry, reaction VA, 1 minute, last I am telling it, okay, I will write. So therefore, write a neat sketch here. See, 4, 9, 4, I want cut distances, not from here. If this is 6, this is 4, this will be 2 and 2. Take moment about A. Okay. Sigma M about A equal to 0. Take clockwise positive. Take clockwise positive. Okay, now, red color is not there. Okay, red color. Moment about A. Minus VB into 9 into 9. Then, see, UDL last I will do. Take moment about A. 60 into 9 plus 4, 13. Plus 60 into 13. Plus 40 into, this is 9, this is 2, therefore this is 7 meter. 7. again plus 40 into 2. All this side afterwards. See, do one thing now, you write here. See, all these are moment of the loads which are to right of A. See, sigma m means you have to consider both sides, not one side only later for bending moment. So, these are all moment of loads that side, these 3 point load reaction over. Now, UDL. See, UDL is there for entire length. Actually, if you know the concept, you can write 8 into 9 plus 4, 13 plus 4, 17. 8 into 17 into 17 by 2 minus 4. If you can understand that one. That I will explain later. So therefore, don't play like that. Here, this side UDL will produce clockwise moment. This side UDL will produce anti-clockwise moment. Therefore, next do one thing, consider UDL from A to D. See, this is UDL. It's a note actually, just a note for sigma m0 note. UDL from A to D. A is here, D is here. Other points are not required. 9 plus 4 is 13. So the total load equal to how much? 8 kN per meter for 13 meter. This much kilonewton. And it will be acting at exactly center of this loaded length, that is 13 by 2. Whereas if you take this side UDL, it is only 4 meter. You write here. This is UDL from C to A. C to A. It is 8 into 4 is the total load. That is that much kilonewton. And from A, it will act at exactly half of 4. Now, so therefore, plus 8 into 13 is the total load. Plus 8 into 13 is the total load to right of A up to D multiplied by distance. This is 13 by 2. That is clockwise. Then come this side. Minus 60 into 4. Minus 60 into 4. Also minus 8 into 4 is the total UDL, total load due to UDL, into 4 by 2. Bracket, okay, equal to 0. You will get the value of VB. Correctly solve, get the value of VB. Okay, I don't have to solve, but still I will solve. Okay. 60 into 13 plus 40 into 7 plus 40 into 2 plus 8 into 13 by 2 minus 60 into 4 minus 8 into 4 into 2 divided by 9. 168 kilonewtons plus 168 kilonewton plus, because minus VB is there, these all I should not explain, high school mathematics. Okay, then once that is over, then make sigma V equal to 0, take upward positive. You get plus V, now this time only forces, plus VA plus VB, two upward forces, minus 60, minus 40, again minus 40, again minus 60, minus 8 into, this time we do not want moment, we want only total load. So why you want to divide into parts? See, when you take moment, this UDL 13 meter will produce clockwise. This 4 meter UDL will produce anti-clockwise. So you separate it, but this time you want only load minus 8 into 9 plus 4 plus 4, and 17 equal to 0, total load, complete UDL. Now, substitute VB equal to plus 168 kilonewton. You will get, I should not explain, plus VA plus 168, then minus 60, 40 into 2 plus 8 into 17. 336 equal to 0. 336 equal to 0. Therefore, substitute here. Your VA will come 336 minus 168. 168 kilonewton. Over. Now, do one thing. Now, this, if you are lazy, if you do not do it, you are losing. Someone will tell, sir, you are not writing once again. You enter in the original sketch. It is my choice. Now do one thing. Therefore, you should write, for the beam shown, given beam, vertical reactions at supports are, if you want perfection, once again put the beam and then tell. See, both reactions you got upward, positive, you got positive, so correct upward. VA equal to, not in the original diagram. This diagram you should write there, 168 kilonewton. VB also equal to 168 kilonewton. Over. Right? Statement. Over. Now, question is over. Now, all over now, see, make a note. Where is the rubbing part? I kept it somewhere here. Okay, I don't know where I kept it. Once everything is over, you make a note. Class. We applied sigma m0, sigma v0, got the reactions. Of course, see, both came equal. But actually, right here, this is, don't see the reaction here. See the original beam. This is a perfect symmetrical beam. Therefore, you can write or directly, that is, as soon as you write given question, then you write due to symmetry, but you are right this way. VA, VB, that also not required. Vertical reaction at A in upward direction equal to vertical reaction at B also in upward direction equal to, see, I told you, this is reaction, is opposite to action, is total load on beam, but of course, action in the downward direction, no sign now, divide by 2, equal to 60. Now you can do one thing, 2 times of 60, see, 2 times of 60 plus 2 times of 40 plus 8 kN per meter for entire length is 17 meter equal to 0 equal to, calculate 60 into 2, 120 plus 80, 200, 200 plus 8 into 17 divided by 2, 168 kilonewton. You get 160, no plus minus now, 168 kilonewton. Answer is same. Make that note. Now today I recorded too many classes, so and also I took some other classes also. So I will give 2 or 3 exercises for you. Next class I am starting when symmetry is not there. That is more and more important. Question 27 over. Now I want to question number because this is for you to solve. Some exercise questions you solve. I will dictate the answer here. This is actually the cloth I am using for rubbing. It is not available here. I misplaced it somewhere. I don't know where it has gone. See, that is a problem. Sometimes okay, I had to use other cloth. Okay, no problem. It does not matter all these things. It matters for those who want to show off all. I never believe in that one. Now, I will give some questions for you. Work out. Correctly work out the questions. See. Now, few questions for you. Few questions for you. Okay. This will, I am not considering as a question number. I will not include this question also and tell I solved so many questions. No. 1. I will give words only. A beam has a span of, simply supported span of 6 meter. Either side there are equal overhangs of 2.5 meter. 2.5 meter. Okay. It is loaded by UDL of, okay, full span UDL, okay, full span UDL of some 30 kilonewton per meter over the entire length, 2 point loads at the ends, that's all, of 80 kilonewtons each, 80 kilonewtons each, and the 30 kilonewton per meter, and a central point load. Central point load means from here it will be 3 meter, 3 meter of 100 kilonewton. Find support reaction A and B. Okay, now same way you solve. I will give the answer for you. VA equal to VB equal to answer upward, upward. See, you do one thing. Someone will tell, sir, symmetry is there. No, no. Do not use symmetry. For getting the solid grip on the subject, you first take sigma m0, sigma v0, get the answer, then check the answer. But I can do whatever I want. 160 plus 100 plus 30 into 11 divided by 2. 295 kilonewton. Red color, okay. 295 kilonewton, 295 kilonewton. Okay, solve it. Second question. This time, for the beam shown in figure, see, double overhang, 6 kilonewton, simple loading, 6 kilonewton, and then 3 point loads I will give here. See, this is, be careful dimensions, 2 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter, 2 meter. Symmetrical loading, see, 6 and 6, 10 kN and 10 kN. And here, I can give any load, 12 kN. AB. Find reactions. Once again, first apply sigma V0, but symmetry is there. Answer I will give you, VA equal to VB. Actually, some will tell us our answer, we know it. 10, 22 kilonewton upward. See, this is upward. VB also equal to 22 kilonewton upward. Then, one more question solved. A beam has a simply supported span of 5 meter with equal overhangs of 3 meter on either side. I am giving all symmetrical today. Okay, then not full UDL. It is loaded by UDL of 60 kilonewton per meter between the two supports. So when you take moment, 30 into 5 into 5 by 2, no full UDL, between the supports AB, and then 2 point loads of 100 kilonewton at 0.8 meter from extreme ends. See, somewhere here, 0.8 meter from extreme ends. That's all. Find the reactions. So when you take moment, see 100 into this distance you require. But symmetry is there. Answer. Again, your VA equal to VB equal to, if you want complete control, first to take moment and then only solve. Don't use symmetry. Symmetry checking purpose. 60 into 5 plus 100 into 2 divided by 2. 250 kilonewton. 250 kilonewton upward. VB also equal to 250 kilonewton upward. 100, 100, or 100, correct, 250 kilonewton. Then do one thing. Take one fourth question. A simply supported beam has a span of 8 meters between supports with equal overhangs of 4 meters on either side. Both the overhangs are loaded by UDL of 10 kN per meter. Both the overhangs are loaded by UDL of 10 kN per meter. This is AB, and center of the beam point load of 60 kilonewton. Center means this is 4 meter. Find reaction. Now 1 minute now. When you take moment here, this all you know it, minus BB into 8 plus 10 into 4 is the total load into 8 plus 4 by 2. You know it already, but still solve. But it will come later. Answer. VA equal to VB equal to 70 kilonewton. 70 kilonewton up. This also 70 kilonewton up. I would have started unsymmetrical today, but lot of work was there for today. I finished so many recordings now, so therefore next time I will go for serious classes. This was serious only. Everything correct? 16 or 22 correct. This is 80 plus 30. 80 plus 30 into 3 plus 2, 5.5 plus 50. 80 plus 50 plus 30 into 5.5. 295. Correct. Okay. Everything correct. Solve all these questions. Get ready for next time. We will solve beams with when symmetry is not there. That is more important. Okay. Thank you.